Hello Polygon Matic holders, so how are you? Hope you have a good day, my friends. Don't miss any second of this video. Don't miss, my friends. If you miss, so maybe you lost your money in the Polygon Matic, but if you hold this video completely, if you watch this video complete, so there is a possibility so you will get a profit from a Polygon Matic. Let's start the video, my friends. But before starting this interesting video, I request everyone to please make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel, my friends. At this time, the latest price of the Polygon Matic is $1.52 dollar. $1.52 is the latest price of the Polygon Matic. You know what, my friends, at this time the people are very worrying about the future of Polygon Matic. You know what, from the yesterday the Polygon Matic price is going down. Price is going down. People are a little people angry to Polygon Matic that why the price will not pumping. But my friends, be patient, be wait, my friends, wait. My friends, if you have a patience, you will get profit. If you have no patience, so I'm sorry, nothing you will get from a cryptocurrency market. Anyways, now from the yesterday, the price change of the Polygon Matic is negative, and a lot of people disappointed by the Polygon Matic and they decide to sell. But the people are wrong, and that is the big mistake of all Polygon Matic holders, that they decide to sell. No, selling is not a solution. Holding is a solution, I think. If you hold, so you will get profit. If you don't hold, so how you can get a profit from Polygon Matic? Anyways, let me show you, my friends, the price chart of the Matic. Oh my god, absolutely, my friends, a very big dumpster in the Polygon Matic from yesterday. From yesterday, the price of Polygon Matic is completely fast down, and still this falling is continuing in a Polygon Matic still. The price of Polygon Matic is going down. So what should we do in this critical situation? I think holding is the best solution, my friends. Hold it, my friends. I recommend for everyone to it's time to hold, not to sell, my friends. It's time to hold, it's time to buy more and more. Anyways, what is your opinion and what is your prediction about Polygon Matic? Please tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.